Hello, my name's James. I'm 31 years old. I'm currently chef de partie at the Savoy in Val d'Isere, and this is my 7th season now. So I decided to do my first season mostly because of the skiing, and now I'm obviously on my 7th. It's more for career progression and to improve skills in different areas of hotel work, really. So the best part about my job at the moment is that I get to produce really nice food, and I also get to eat it as well, which is great. So the worst part about my job, there isn't much to pick from really. It's probably just the cleaning and taking out the trash. So in my time off, my days off, I do a bit of skiing. Predominantly I'm running at the moment because I'm training for a marathon. Just being outside mostly, and drinking as well, obviously. So career progression within this company is actually very, very good. I started my first season as a shift supervisor, worked my way then in the next season to assistant hotel manager. Last season I was a chalet manager of a 80-person chalet. This season I started as a commis chef, and I'm now CDP or chef de partie. So there's plenty of opportunity within the winter seasons especially to progress throughout the company.